Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Abhi's Beauty Hack. It's Abhi here. So in today's video, I'm going to give a complete review or my personal experience about Aranya's astringent toner. So as per the name suggests, this is an astringent toner which is highly recommended for extraordinary oily skin. So now when we talk about oily skin, so we must note a thing that oily skin type, it is their nature. So we cannot change the nature of the oily skin to either dry skin or normal skin. Instead, we can only control the excess oil production. So this toner is suitable for both men and women. And the major ingredients in this toner are tea tree and rosemary, which highly helps in controlling your excess oil production and thereby preventing pimples. So this is the 100 ml package of the product, and it comes in a cute bottle with spray nozzle, and it costs 295 rupees in Indian money. This is an Indian product and most of them haven't heard about this product, I guess. So this is the bottle and this is how it looks. So 2 to 3 pumps is greatly enough for your skin and neck, that is for your face and your neck. So one thing to be noted here is the product should be carefully applied. You have to close your eyes before spraying the product because it might create your eyes, it might irritate your eyes. So just close your eyes and be careful using this. And of course it irritates your skin as well, but that irritation lasts only until the product dries out, and the product dries within 20 to 30 seconds if you stand behind the air or your fan. Okay, so the people who cannot bear that strong fragrance, not so strong, but it contains fragrance which is quite it is bearable fragrance. It has got fragrance, guys, that's all. Okay, but it is not strong, not too strong. Okay, so if you are so sensitive towards fragrance or towards skin irritation, please don't use this product even if you have that kind of oily skin, because it irritates skin to a mild extent, and as I told you, it goes off on the drying of the product. Okay, so like you can spray it directly on your skin as I'm showing, or you can use a cotton pad to apply it on your skin. So this is completely water based and your skin really absorbs it to a greater extent. The fragrance is of the type of tea tree oil and some good oil mixed. That kind of fragrance the product actually gets. It really helps in controlling excess oil production on your skin. So as I told you, both genders can use it, and you will really see greater differences since first application itself. So this product is not this is not within the budget, because only 100 ml of the product costs 300, but it is not exceeding too much of our budget. It is like fair only, and the ingredients are also like it contains mostly natural ingredients, and it greatly helps in reducing oil and maintaining the pH balance of your skin. It evens out your skin as well. So this is one of the good toners which I have come across recently. So most of them might not know about the brand, so please share and let them know about the brand as well. Now don't think that it is a sponsored video and all. This is definitely not a sponsored video, and this is only my personal experience about the product. Okay guys, and yeah, I think I have shared whatever I know about the product, and now it is up to you to decide whether you want to purchase this or not.